You're live.
I think I wasn't ready. Yeah. So hey, welcome back to the Paarl, and today we are at Fort Charlotte. We are at Fort Charlotte.
Yeah.
By the way, today my videographer is White Boy Isaac, aka Brogy.
Yeah.
So he is visiting Jamaica, so I'm showing him Fort Charlotte today. So let's go, Isaac.
All right.
You'll be the one in the video since you're the guest.
Okay.
Yeah. White Boy Isaac, aka Brogy. Yeah. And this is the bay, or the Lucea Harbor. What do you like about over here so far, Brogy?
I love it. It's nice. It's nice in every way. The sun is shining. The water's gleaming. There's birds flying. Yeah.
And you can see
the breeze is nice.
what hotel is that?
That's Grand Palladium.
Yeah, you're right.
All right. Yeah.
So it's close to Fort Charlotte. So if anyone wants to visit Jamaica and visit here, they can stay there and just drive around. Very close.
Yeah. All right.
So let's walk around, and you can pose and take cool photos.
All right. All right.
And remember, you have to be safe.
Yeah. I have to do that.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's a pirate ship out there.
Yeah. Pirate ship!
Yo! You shot it. It's already gone.
Alright. Yeah, so I will be leaving Fort Charlotte right now. So thank you for watching the Paarl, and you can watch some other video next time. Let's go, Brogy. Let's go. Let's go. Let's leave Fort Charlotte.
Yeah. And make sure you subscribe to the channel and leave a like and a comment. And yeah, just let us know what we missed. Yeah.
Pirate ship!
Yo!
You have to go slow. If you go too fast, you're not gonna cool.
Alright, alright.
What was that?
Yo!